Hi, welcome to the online WAC conference system. Today we'll go over how to make an appointment, how to upload your writing assignment, how to interact with professors, and how to access your paper and feedback after the conference is over. First, to make an appointment, you'll need to log in to our scheduling system. You can do that by going to losrios.mywconline.com, or you can go to our Canvas homepage and click on the MyWC Online, which will instantly take you to the login system. After you've entered in your login, email, and password, you want to make sure that the Spring 20 WAC appointment schedule is a schedule that you're on. This is a schedule that you can choose to make appointments. Next, find a time and day that will work for you and click on the white box to reserve it. All online appointments have been changed from 30 minutes to 60 minutes, with appointments starting on the hour. So 10 o'clock, 11, 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, and so on. When it's time for the online appointment, you'll need to log in and find your appointment time, which should be in this gold-orange colored box. When you click on it, a smaller box will open, and at that point you want to click on Start or Join Online Consultation. This will take you to another screen where you will upload your documents in order to consult with a professor or instructional assistant. This big white space is where you will type in your pre-conference information, such as how long the assignment is and what you would like feedback on. For instance, if you're unsure about the organization, or if you need help with your thesis statement, or even if you just need help brainstorming some ideas. What you're going to do is clear out this text, and then you're going to type in the information that's needed. After you answer those questions, you want to enter a couple of times in order to give yourself space to post the essay. So what you want to do is you want to open a document. You want to copy everything out of there. You can use Control-C to do that. And then when you come back to this screen, you can just paste everything in there with either Control-V, or you can right-click and do paste on there. And this is your document. Once you've pasted everything in there, you're ready to go for the appointment. On the lower right of the screen, there's a chat box. This is where you will type your messages and interact with WAC professors and staff. It acts like a regular chat box that you find online, so all you need to do is type in your message and hit enter. And your messages will appear in the upper chat box with a timestamp on there. If you look up in the upper right of your screen, you'll see a little group icon. It says Show the users on this pad. Next to the group symbol, you'll see a number. That number will include everybody who's in the chat room. So right now, the chat is at 1 because I am waiting for my professor to log in. During the conference, your professor will leave comments and notes about your writing. Their color will differ from yours, so it will be easy to see. Sometimes they may bold or underline the text in order to make something stand out. Once the session is over, you can close the window to end it. If you need to go back and see the comments again at a later time, simply log in as you did before, click on your appointment time, and then click on the Start or Join Consultation. All comments and marks are saved so that you can access them at your convenience later. So now you know how to make and participate in appointments online. If you have any further questions, you can email WAC staff at wac@arc.losrios.edu.